In this video, I will show you how to fix 100% CPU usage Windows 10 while gaming. But before we start, hurry up and check out our latest offer just under this video. So let's get started. So there's a few things that you could do to fix this issue. So first method that we'll be doing is the use of the run application. So in this case, go ahead and search for run here, open it up. And from here, we want to search for the following, which is going to be the 𝐓𝐷. So go ahead and click on OK. And from here, what we need to do is we need to make sure that the C drive that we have here is actually optimized. So if you haven't optimized your drive yet, it's going to say it needs optimization. So in this case, go ahead and click on optimize and just follow the steps for you to optimize your drives. Now in this case, if you're still having the issue, well, we have another method. So the other method that we could do here is we could use our command prompt. So in this case, go to the search bar at the bottom left here, just type in cmd, and from here, right click on command prompt and just run it as administrator. Hit on yes if it requires any further permissions. Now in here, we need to type in the following script. So in this case, you want to type in the following, which is going to be dism.exe /online /cleanup-image /restore health. Now in this case, just press on enter and wait for the whole process to basically complete. Once the process is complete, what you need to do next is you need to paste the following code, which is going to be sfc /scan now, and just press on enter. And from here, just wait for it to complete and see if that solves your issue. Now, another thing that you do here is you might want to check your background apps. So in this case, we want to open up our device manager, our manager here. So just press on Control-Shift-Escape and to see our task manager. In this case, you might want to search for applications that you're currently not using. Now in this case, if you're using multiple browsers, I suggest you try closing one of them or all of them if you're not using them, as well as for any applications that you're not currently using. Now from here on, just close any applications, and in here we want to visit Startup. Now in this case, in a Startup, what you need to do here is you want to check for applications that you don't want to start at boot. Now in this case, just to give an example, I have TradingView here. Now in this case, if this actually enable, you have to right click on it and basically disable this one. So whenever you're not using the application, you don't have to go back into Task Manager just to close those applications again when you try playing games. Now from here on, once you've done that, see if that solves the issue. Now in this case, if you're still having your issues, there's a few more things that we could do. So the next thing we could do here is we need to visit our power management. So in this case, go ahead and go to search here, type run, and from here you want to type in the following, which is going to be power cfg.cpo, and just click on OK, and from here this should boot up. In this case, I would suggest you to switch this to high performance. So basically, it's going to favor performance, but will use more energy. Now in this case, once you've done that, check if that actually solves the issue. But if not, we have a few things. Like for example, we need to change a few settings on Google Chrome if this actually affects some of your gaming. So in this case, open up Chrome here at the top right of the screen, click on the three-dotted icon, go to settings. And under settings, you want to go to system, and from here you want to make sure that this option is actually disabled. In this case, this option is continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. And from here, the next thing that we want to do is we want to basically see if there are any updates for Windows. So at the bottom left of your screen, go ahead and type in updates, and from here, open up check for updates here. And from here, what we need to do is check for updates, click on check for updates here and see if there are any updates. If there are, make sure to install that, because sometimes your files or your Windows 10 that is not updated will cause the issue itself. That's why you're having issues on your CPU usage. But yeah, so that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.